Hey, in this video I'm just going to quickly show you how to create an opt-in page similar to this using FusionHQ. And basically when someone enters their details into this opt-in form, it'll add them to a list, such as in Aweber, GetResponse, a few others, and it'll also register them for the webinar at exactly the same time, and you can actually set up multiple webinars. So first log into FusionHQ. First you want to make sure your webinar is created. I've already got my link ready. Now go into opt-in forms. Now I'll create a list. So this could be test 3-W for the webinar list. Now I choose GoToMeeting and I put the list number in here, and what that is. So this is my registration link here, and I just copy these numbers. And if I want to add more, I just tick the plus and add them in. Click save. We're improving the usability on this, but for now this is how you do it. So now I'll do say we're going to add it to an Aweber list. Let's do that. Choose Aweber, and then you put the list name. So you'd have to go into your Aweber, create a list name, and then you put the list name here. This one I created. Click save. Okay, so now we have an Aweber list and we have a GoToWebinar list. Now we create a product. Products. We're not actually selling this, but you'll see what we do in a moment. So no to the email, no to this. Everything no. The main thing we're after is add to opt-in list. So when they get this product, they get added to multiple lists. So we want to look at we want to tick the two that we created, test 3 for the webinar and test 3 for Aweber. So when they get this product, they'll get added to both of these lists. You can also add them to many more if you want, and membership levels. So click create. Can set up payment plans, but don't need to for the way we're doing it. So now we go back into opt-in forms, and we find our webinar opt-in one that we just created. Click edit, and we use this section here to give away the dummy product we just created. So test 3 dummy, give that away. Okay, so now when someone opts into that list, it's going to give away the product. They won't receive anything, but that will allow it to add to Aweber and the webinar. So now let's go and click the processes tab and create this squeeze page. So the quick way is to untick this. Start new process. Choose a template. The one I've been using is pure white. Choose any of those, simple squeeze. This is for header code like analytics and stuff if you want. Then you put your hosting details, or you can use FusionHQ hosting, but I'll just put my details in now. So now we have each box is a page, and you can drag it around, add more. So this will be our squeeze page, and when it goes through yes 1, it goes to the thank you page. So if we want to edit this page, we click the pencil to edit. I'm just going to quickly create part of it so I can just save some time. Okay, so I've just gone and created by using the drag and drop editor, no coding at all. Just drag like a text box, put the headline there, drag another text box, put that there, and another text box. If you want to add space, you can just move it like this, or use the blank space section. I drag and drop some images. Now let's do the opt-in form. So we go to opt-in box, drag it on, and we just follow the wizard. So we choose our opt-in form that we created. So we want to use the test3W where we give away that product. Then we choose a template. Just going to choose this one. Next step, choose a button. You can upload your own. You can choose from a few there. You can make any changes here. And you could go limit access, get rid of this, etc. However you want to do it. And click apply. And there you have it. And you can drag that around on the page like so. Maybe you want to move these pictures down. You can do a blank space right there. You can move it, move that back up. You can move that down like so. Really easy to do. Maybe we want to add some bullet points. I've got some already pre-prepared, so I'll just add a text box, double click to edit it, paste that in. There we go. Move this up a bit. There we go. And then we can add one more opt-in form in, just at the bottom. The same list. Follow the steps, choose a different template. We can change that again if we want. Click apply. You can use the screen button to center it. Add some blank space in the middle. Click save. And you're done. Then you can just go into the thank you page, add your text box, add whatever you want. Make sure you attend the webinar. Just anything really. Change the formatting using the style. So you can use headline. Yep, just do that. Click save. And then all we do is click direct upload. And that'll upload it to the hosting details we entered in earlier. And now that's done. So the very first time you upload the process, you'll need to manually go to wherever you uploaded it to. And there you have it. That's the site we created. If you put your details in here, it'll add to the list and the webinar. It'll actually show a loading screen saying registering webinar, and then you know it's working. So it's nice and easy. Once you've already got one of these templates created, it's really easy to just duplicate the page and change little sections. So you can rename it here to make it easy. I'll show you in a sec. So Ben Webinar Squeeze it's called now. So if I want to create another process, you just use a duplicate new page from existing. I've got a lot of pages, but you just look for Ben's Webinar Squeeze page. There we go. Give it a name, so maybe it's Greg Webinar Squeeze, this one. Then click this OK. And it'll actually just duplicate the page, then you edit it. And then you come in and delete, just click that to delete the picture, change dates, etc. Save, and just upload it to a new directory. It's best to keep it separate though, just create a different process. Yeah, that's how you do it. Hope that helps. Thanks.